I pulled D-weight a lot, bud. Yeah, I pulled D-weight a lot. Hey, everybody. Welcome to Boom City Breaks on Friday, March 3rd. And tonight we are breaking Hit Parade autographed basketball jerseys. This here's a 2-box break of the Hit Parade Series 4, box 82 and 55. We did random team sales, you can see on the right. We've already randomized the teams, the customers, then alphabetized them so they could see who they had a bit easier, gave them ample opportunity to trade. Got everything entered, got to pop it. Again, guys, you see, this is what happens when you put wear, because there's like pressure on them. That's why they leave slack in there. But we're going to cut through that, pop, just to make sure it doesn't get used again. And here we go. I have no clue, guys. I don't know if you guys do. That a Raymond Berry? Yeah, I guess it says Ray Berry. Oh, Rick Berry. Sorry. Yeah, Rick. Sorry. It's like, guys, I am not the most up on my NBA, but looky there, guys. That is a pretty cool old school Golden State jersey, man. Yes, sir. Golden State, Golden State. NES gets that, baby. It may not be a Curry, but it's a very nice jersey nonetheless. It's got the date. Oh, no, it's got a PSA this time, folks. Let me show that. No, come on. There is your PSA for that, baby. It's going to wrap up box one. That one's going to NES. Going to throw that back in the bag. Baby. Alright, that goes to NES. Alright, this is box 2 of our NBA. Like I said, I just, like I said, Barn, I just, I had some problems or whatever, and just feeling a lot better all the way around. So, trying to get my energy up, and I'm glad at least showing a little bit. Here we go, folks. What the heck is that, man? Oh, is that Nate Archibald? Yeah, I guess so. Nathaniel Archibald, folks. That is gonna be a Celtic. Celtic. Yep, it is Nate Archibald, folks. Show you your PSA. Boom. Come on. There you go. Who's got Boston? Boston. Big 401. Spreading it around the room tonight. Let's see if we can keep it going. Yeah, it may not be again the highest end, but what the heck, man? Nate was a great player. So there you go, folks. That is going to wrap up that 2-boxer. Join us at breakers.tv 7 nights a week. You'll find me or Gatsby breaking all forms of memorabilia. Big 401. We sure would appreciate a click on the follow button. Have a great day.